This is Rod Kuzanen, Spooman for Risk for Monday, December 6, 2010. All times on the chart are Central Standard Time. We will review briefly each one of the strategy settings, the pivot, the divergence, as well as trend settings in our discussion today. We didn't get any trades on the pivot strategy until the late afternoon when the market began to short. Now, what is interesting about this is we were expecting this short pretty much all through the day. The market moved extremely slow today, and there wasn't really much movement at all going on. But what is interesting is 100% of our retracement lines, both both VIX and premium-based retracement lines were hit, 100%. But we had to wait all day for that to occur. The VIX retracements are in yellow and cyan. The retracements based upon the premium are in magenta and white. And as you can see here, every last one of them was hit. 100%. And what is also interesting about that is that when it did short, the lowest retracement line that we had was down here at 1220, and that was hit almost to the dime when the market changed directions entirely and started going back up. So very, very interesting there. So that's the, I mean, what more can we say? The accuracy there was pretty interesting. Now, we, in the room, we're talking, we have a trading room on Pal Talk. Go to our website and you can find where we are on the Pal Talk platform. We'll be happy to have you as our guest. But we were discussing pretty much through the course of the morning what kind of a pattern was developing here with such limited movement. And it appeared, at least for a time, that this thing was going to short, especially as we got into noon here, therefore expecting that the market would probably be short into the early part of the afternoon. Well, of course, that's just the opposite of what occurred. And part of that was just due to where the retracement lines were at the time. We had a lot more retracements below the market, and so we kind of figured that the market would short there. And it did, except it took all day for that to occur. So interesting in that respect. We have a variety of different trading strategies that all fired off their trades pretty much simultaneously. And the profit targets on them were hit. We had some long trades right in here, right before the close. And then we had a few trades down here after the close, which also hit their profit target. And beyond that, there's not much to say. So let's now look at our divergence strategy. Now, the divergence strategy, interestingly enough, got us into a long trade right here before 9 o'clock. That hit its profit target. Had a short trade. That hit its profit target. And then we didn't really have anything until, once again, the latter part of the afternoon, where the divergence strategy shorted the market similarly to what the pivot strategy did. Then again, a few long trades here right before the close, more long trades after, especially after we hit that retracement, and up she went, hitting those profit targets. Once again, same. Now we don't have on this screen, we weren't plotting the retracement lines for the VIX, but this automatically shows the retracements for the premium, or retracements that are based upon characteristics in the premium. And again, 100% of those were hit. Now on our trend setting, we didn't get any trades in the early part of the morning. And going into 10 o'clock, we started to get long trades in here. This is trades right in here would have been stopped out. Here, we eventually make our profit target. We have a cluster of them going on here. The retracements can be, and by the way, these particular trend trades did not take into consideration such things as volume. So we had a cluster of trades right in here. We didn't have the any filter on the strategy to limit the number of trades, so it just fired off trades practically every tick. That's why we have such a big cluster in here. And there are different circumstances that are causing these trades to take place. For more information, you can give us a call, and we'll be happy to discuss that with you. Here, that trade's based on a little different circumstance, as is this trade. Well, actually, the same kind of circumstance that pulled the trade here took place again here. And you see, because of the different kind of arrows, there are different circumstances that produced these specific trades. So what we would recommend is that you very thoroughly look at our website. You know, if you're interested in our system, we'd like to have you on board. Go to our website, RSKsys.com, peruse that through, ask for a demo, come to our trading room on Pal Talk. We don't really call out our trades per se on Pal Talk. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. It's just a matter of you know, what we're doing at the time. More of our discussions are technical analysis as to what we expect the market is going to do, but then we basically let the strategy take over at that point. And the strategy, of course, is automated to enter those trades. In any case, that's the subject matter of our video today. So we invite you to comment on our videos, or at least get in touch with us and ask for a private demo. We'll be happy to show that to you. But most of all, we'd like to have you on board. We have a very successful trading strategy here. We're always trying to improve it, however, and we have our traders that are bringing valuable input to the table, things that we can incorporate into our strategy to make it even better, and that's what we like. So this is Rod Kusanen, Spooman, for Monday, December 6th. Happy trading.